Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, it's been a little while. We know we've had some delays. We meant to get this out earlier, but there's some announcements that we couldn't announce yet that we'll talk about at the end of this video. So watch till the end. First off, GD token airdrop. We did a snapshot on the 31st. So about a little over a week ago, but at the same time we were actually doing some security updates to our systems. We had some very nice white hat hackers, some that we've worked with before and some actually that came to us and said, hey, we found a vulnerability, and we just did a full system test, and they end up, really small vulnerabilities, but it's still good to get some feedback from developers outside of our team. And we've been really working to kind of update our systems. Not only that, we just had some system maintenance stuff that we had to do, server updates and all that sort of stuff, and it's just taken a little bit longer than we thought, and because of that we haven't been able to start the airdrop, but we will either today or tomorrow. So there's that. Then the airdrop, the stablecoin airdrop, that's also coming soon, but the software delays are affecting our Android app as well. So we need to update the Android app to accept other tokens besides ZILLA and Ethereum. Once we do that, then we can do the airdrop. Otherwise, our Android users won't be able to see the tokens in their wallet. The blog, we started a new series that we call the Builders, which is kind of cool. It's about like people who are actually building things and releasing software and etc. in the blockchain space. So we're really excited about that. Way is mostly handling that. Yeah.
So we have ICO projects before. Now we also will have influencers and other people in the blockchain space.
Like media, for example, like event organizers. It's interesting that the market is kind of down, but kind of down. This is like a full-on winter, but there's still a lot of blockchain events, and I don't know if you guys have ever been to any blockchain events, but they're a lot of fun, and of course the after parties are incredible, and they're still quite exciting, and you see more and more, especially larger companies and enterprises building things on the blockchain, which is cool, which leads me to the announcement. A few months back we started working on other sorts of things that we can offer in our app, kind of using our existing software base, and we decided on making a blockchain event platform. And the main reason actually is that you can buy tickets with credit card for blockchain events, but it doesn't make sense that you can't use crypto. So with our system, the wallet is linked together, so you can use your crypto in your ZILLA wallet to buy tickets for various blockchain events. And there are other features, we'll talk about it later. We're planning on releasing by the end of the month, and I'll give you a quick sample here. So this is the wallet, right? And of course you see the ICO projects, and now we have an event section. Ta-da! Of course you can upvote events and so on and so forth, and for example, if you want to click into them, you can learn about the event. Of course you can see the partners and sponsors. This UI needs a little bit of finishing before we release it. And you can see the speakers and learn about the speakers and look at the agenda. And then the tickets, the various ticket types. You notice that there's the amount, how much it costs in crypto there. You save it. We're still working on the payment portion of this right now, so linking it to the actual wallet. The developers are working on that. That's like the finishing touch. Other than that, she's done. So ready to go. So that's just a preview. You guys will hear more about that later. I hope you're as excited as I am.
Very excited.
Yeah, we're very excited. Right now we're just onboarding events. before we release it. So you know, we'll have major events. By the way, this is just the dummy version, so these aren't necessarily the events that we will have in the app, but many events worldwide. Of course, it's in multiple languages. You know how we do it, and you will be able to use other tokens. But from the first release, it's just Ethereum. Then it will be Ethereum and Zilla, and then from there, you know, we're thinking of doing discounts with Zilla, and I shouldn't say so much. But anyways, you'll hear more about it officially later. You guys are first to hear about it now. You got anything else to add?
I guess that's it for this time.
All right, good.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
See you later.
All right.